In a new study on bees, it was determined that wasps made holes in the leaves of the plants to make pollen up to 1 month earlier than normal. This situation, which was detected for the first time, shows that bees can adapt to climate change. It has long been known that bees play a role in the flowering of plants. A new study revealed that bees affect not only flowering but also the duration of flowering. The study of scientists from Switzerland determined that bees make plants bloom 1 month earlier than usual. Bees normally leave their nests in early spring to feed on the pollen of newly blooming plants. Some bees leave their nests much earlier than other bees. These early bees are deprived of pollen and die of starvation during this period when plants are without flowers. Plants can bloom earlier than they should be because of bees. Research shows that some bees who leave the nest without plants blooming find a solution to this situation. Ed Zurich in Switzerland from Consuelo de Moraes and her colleagues, workers of wild bees, have discovered the plant's normal opening small holes in the leaves of plants that cause flowers to open earlier. The researchers found that after a series of laboratories and open-air experiments, wasps are more likely to make holes in the leaves of tomato plants and black mustard plants when they are left without food. The holes made by the bees in the leaf of the tomato plant caused the plant to bloom 30 days ago, while the holes opened in the leaves of the black mustard plant enabled the plant to bloom 16 days ago. How bees bloom plants early is not yet certain. Scientists, this damage is caused by the bees in flowering plant leaves. How encouraging that they have not found it yet. Previous studies have determined that stress factors such as intense light and drought cause early flowering of plants. However, early flowering is seen for the first time under the influence of bees. Researchers failed when they tried to trigger early flowering by piercing plant leaves. This indicates that bees use a chemical in their saliva to encourage plants to bloom. However, what the chemical is and how it affects the process can only be revealed by new studies. Early flowering to plants can help bees adapt to climate change. Mark Mesher, one of the scientists who participated in the study about bees, said that the ability of wasps to manipulate their flowering time can help them adapt to climate change. Researcher Mesher from Ed Zurich explained that climate change makes spring conditions more unpredictable, which can disrupt the timing of the relationship between bees and flowers. Mesher said that if wild bees leave their nests early, flowering the plants early can ensure that the bees survive.